Hi viewers, today I am going to explain about Euphorbia milli plant, which is commonly known as crown of thorns. Scientific name of this plant is Euphorbia milli. Crown of thorns belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. This plant is a native to Madagascar. Crown of thorns commonly used as ornamental house plant that can be grown in warmer climates. Here in UAE, you can easily grow this plant outdoors as well as indoors. It is woody succulent shrub. This plant will produce flowers all year around. Usually flowers are in red, pink, pale yellow or white in color. Crown of thorns will not tolerate temperature below 10 degrees Celsius. During summer, you can place the plant in shaded places, but in winter you can place under direct sunlight. In outdoors. Indoors you need to place it in sunny windows. Otherwise you will not get proper flowering. When come to the point of watering, weekly once you have to water the plant. Before watering, completely allow the soil to dry. Then only water the plant. Otherwise root will get rot. When come to the point of soil, use a sandy, well-drained soil for this crown of thorns plant. The soil should drain quickly to prevent root rot. It needs repotting every 2 to 3 years. When come to the soil proportion, take 2 parts of coarse sand, 1 part of potting soil, mix this with little compost. This is the soil proportion you can take for this crown of thorns plant. This plant can tolerate poor soil also, but need well drainage. So just check the drainage well for this plant. Otherwise the root will get rot. When come to the point of propagation, these crown of thorns plant can be propagated from cuttings. Here in my plant you can see I have potted some aloe vera plants also along with the crown of thorns plant. You can see my baby aloe vera plants. And to propagate this plant, take 2 to 3 inches cuttings and place it on paper towel for 2 to 3 days. Allow it to dry in shady place. Remove most of the leaves on the cuttings. Place these cuttings in soil. Within several weeks you can get a new plant. Toxicity. When to the come to the point of toxicity of these plant, the sap of this plant is moderately poisonous, causes irritation on contact with skin and eyes. If you consumed, you will get severe stomachache, irritation of throat and mouth, and you will get vomitings. It is toxic to domesticated animals such as horses, sheep, cats and dogs. So keep away from the pets. Uses. When come to the uses of this plant, it is used as a pesticide. The plant itself has proven to be an effective natural alternative to pest control. World Health Organization has recommended usage of Euphorbia milli in aiding snail control. Extract from the plants are used to control the snail population. Medicinal properties. This species Euphorbia has so many medicinal properties. Mainly it is grown as garden plant, easy care succulent plant, easy growing ornamental plant. So it is very easy to maintain Euphorbia plant. It grows well in well drained soil. It can give flowers throughout the year. Crown of thorns plant can tolerate high temperatures. It will enhance beauty of your garden by flowering all over the year. Thank you viewers. Please subscribe my channel if you like my channel. Thank you.